Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to use Amazon gift card on eBay. So if you want to use your Amazon gift card balance on eBay, unfortunately you won't be able to use directly your gift card balance on eBay as there are two different platforms and they are not integrated. So what we can do here, you can actually transfer your gift card balance to your bank account and then use the balance on your bank account on eBay. In that way you'll be able to utilize those your gift card balance on eBay. So to do that, simply open up Amazon and then log into your account and then hit on Amazon Pay. So click on Amazon Pay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to add our gift card here. So click on gift card and then just add your gift card details here. So once you're here, hit on add a gift card and then simply type in your Amazon gift card details here and then add those balance to your Amazon Pay. So you just do that, and then once you have added it to your Amazon Pay balance, simply click on send money. So click on send money and then hit on bank transfer, and then all you have to do is plug in the details of your bank and then hit on continue and complete the transaction. So you can transfer those balance from your Amazon Pay, which is from your gift card, Amazon gift card, to your bank account. So now that you got the balances on your bank account, you can simply just use your bank account to make any purchase on eBay. When you make a purchase, simply purchase fulfill it with the banking details of the bank account. So that's how you can use this your gift card on eBay, as there is no direct ways of doing it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.